Money here. Welcome back to my channel. Time now is almost 8:50. So the last ride was a Skinchan ride. Before the Skinchan ride, I got ride to Shah Alam Auto City to change my tire. So today, Saturday morning, I'm riding to Sunny Cycle at Star Park because I have clocked. Let me see. I have clocked my bike kilometer 50,168 kilometer. So last time I checked that brake pad, they say it's left 30%. So I'm riding to Sunny Cycle Star Park to change my brake pad because next month I'm riding almost I think 5 to 6,000 kilometer next month, 15 days ride. I will tell you about the ride on the next video. So let's ride with money. So let's warm up my bike. So after warm up, as usual, you know, you have to reach the red one. You have to reach at least 7 or 8. Then I'll start riding. Warm up the bike first. So one more thing I want to let you all know about the safety. Whenever you are riding, whether it's a short ride or very huge ride or long ride, make sure you all wear your safety gears, like your safety gears, like your gears, shoes, riding glove, riding jacket, riding pants, because it might save your life, you know. So take care when you are riding. Please wear your safety gears. Yesterday I already put on charge my battery, so waiting for the red indicator almost to 7,000. So after that we can start riding. So one more time I'm reminding you all, make sure whenever you ride, wear your safety gear. Okay, the perfect safety gear will save you from a major injury. So already past 7 ready. So let's ride with money. Om Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya, Namah Shivaya. Chongi restaurant, so take our breakfast here. So this is the restaurant Chongi. They will serve very nice breakfast, Chinese breakfast. So let's have breakfast. This guy is the boss over here.
Kasih wonton goreng. Tambah apa? Fishball. Wonton mi kita fishball
Ya. Air kasih kopi kurang manis.
Apa? Wonton chicken. Itu aja.
Ya.
Okay. Thank you.
So my noodles, wonton noodles, fishball noodles came already with the kopio here, kurang manis. So let's enjoy breakfast. already take my breakfast. So time now is almost 9:30. So it will take around half an hour to reach Sunny Cycle. From here I will take Sungai Buloh Hospital toll, and then to NKV through Jalan Duta toll. Then I take Duke and exit to Star Park and to Sunny Cycle. Jalan Duta. After exit Jalan Duta, I will take the Duke Expressway. Jalan Star Park toward KL. This road I'm toward KL. Sunny Cycle is on the left. We almost reached there. Jalan Star Park toward KL. This road I'm toward KL. Sunny Cycle is on the left. We almost reached there. Almost reach here already. Oh, this Sunny Cycle. So we already reached. So let's talk with them. Boss, morning.
Long time no see.
Yeah lah, the day I came what? Ah? Yeah. So this Sunny Cycle. Very nice guy there. Chào. Chào, bye à?
Okay, apa khabar?
Bye. So they are starting to remove the rear brake first. Let me show you what they do. Ah,
Belakang 230.
berapa ni?
230.
Belakang ini?
560 kiri kanan.
Ini okey ni.
Okey. Jepang ya. Kalau
Okey
semua
lah.
tak ada komplain lah. Ini bagus ya. Ini
Boleh lah. You recommend saya ikut, you cakap lah.
Okey.
Nanti saya taruh YouTube sana, nanti you. Oh guys, setelah brand. Lama main mana? Ulamanya dia, the old one. But they no need to remove the caliper. Just changing it. Ah, cepat ah. Eko, berapa? Okay, done. So fast. Rear brake done. Not even 15 minutes. It's done already. So you're going to go for the front brake. Front brake. This one the brake pad, the old one, the front one. Still got plenty more, but for the safe side, better change and keep this one for spare. So he's changing the left hand side one now. Changing left hand side. Okay, done. Brake pad, front and rear already done. Left, right, and then the rear all changed already. So next is I have to pay. After I will let you know how much the bill. So time now is 12:25. So already done on my bike, brake pad change. So let's ride back home. So almost lunchtime already. Okay, thank you, thank you. So we get back to Duke. Okay, time now almost 12:50. Okay, after start my ride at around 9 o'clock, went for a breakfast and then straight to Sunny Cycle Star Park, change brake pad front and rear, and then meet some friends, talking for a while, and then around 12:20 to 12:25 I start riding from Sunny Cycle to back home. Let's start with money with another ride. See you. If you like this video, please subscribe, share and like. Don't forget to press the bell button for the upcoming video. So let's ride with money. Bye.